Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share this fascinating recipe with all of you. When I had traveled to Hawaii and on my way back to India, I went to this shop. They had the most amazing dessert. It was stretchy, sweet, soft like pillows. It was called mochi, a Japanese dessert. They make it with a rice flour, a kind of a rice flour, and they stuff it with different fillings like red bean paste or sesame paste. Today I have two kinds of flavors that I'm making. One is peanut and gud wala filling, and the other is a plain chocolate. This is my first time I'm making mochi, so let's see what happens. The most important ingredient you need for mochi is this glutinous rice flour. It is not available easily. I ordered it from Amazon. Another thing is cornflour. Next, sugar. Some vanilla essence because I would like some vanilla flavor. Food coloring. This is completely optional. Bowl. Microwavable. Then these cuppies and a parchment paper lined tray for me to spread the mochi in. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what I have done is I have taken a cup of the mochi rice flour and a cup of sugar. Apparently some people add more sugar. It's 2:1 ratio for sugar and the flour, but I think I'm fine with this much. Then I will add water little by little and stir it. Okay, so I have stirred it so that there are no lumps. See, it's pretty liquidy right now. I have added about a cup of water. I will put this in the microwave for 1 minute to start with. It's become a little thicker from before. See. It's this consistency now. It needs to go in the microwave again. At this point, I'll add vanilla to it. At this moment, I have divided the batter into two bowls because I want colors. Here, let's see how this has turned out. I think this is almost done. Now, I will pour this onto this sheet. Okay, see, this is how it is, but I need to use cornstarch so that it doesn't stick on my hands. Wow. Look how it is. Nice and sticky. Yeah. Beautiful. I'm so happy. Now what I need to do is just here like this. I've taken a piece and I need to work this fast maybe. Now I add a piece of chocolate that I have cut from before. Okay, and I put it here and I gently fold this in. Let's see. Wow, the chocolate is melting. And then it becomes a nice round, yeah, like this. And then I keep it in my copy that my friend gifted me. This is the blue one. Yeah. Dusting with cornflour is very important. And I have made these peanut good balls from before. Making balls will help because they will remain in shape and help give your mochi shape. I take a peanut good ball and put it in here, and wow, these are easier for me to mold, see, because these are already round and shaped, and yeah, okay, you see, push. Okay, now the moment of truth. Here's my platter.